So welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to make choco pie. So please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. For making choco pie, we only need 4 ingredients. Marie biscuit, milk powder, milk maid and chocolate. Take a mixing bowl, put 2 tablespoons of milk maid, and 2 tablespoons of milk powder. Now let's mix. The filling is ready. I want to eat it. I can't wait. Yummy. First, take a Marie biscuit and spread the filling. Take another Marie biscuit and put this here and spread the filling on top again. Now let's place another Marie biscuit over the top. Now let's prepare another set. Now take the chocolate and melt it for 30 seconds in a microwave or melt by double boiling. Now take this biscuit sandwich and put it in the melted chocolate. It's almost done. Put it in the refrigerator for 10 minutes. Is it done? Is it done? Tick tick 1, tick tick 2, tick tick 3, tick tick 4, tick tick 5, tick tick 6, tick tick 7, tick tick 8, tick tick 9, tick tick 10, tick tick.
A few moments later.
Oh wow! Choco pie is ready. Let's try it. So good. Thank you friends for watching my video. Please cook with me. If you try this recipe, please let me know. Bye.